So if your NAS or RAID array has failed and you can't access the data, the most important thing is to power it off and do not use it again. Do not try to repair or rebuild the RAID array yourself, because this can cause irreversible data loss. The length of time to recover data from a NAS or a RAID array really depends on the problem we find and how many drives are in your array. A small array, we can do it in a day for like emergency service, and then some arrays will take several weeks to recover. The most common failures we see is a RAID 5 array that's had 2 drives fail, because a RAID 5 array, it protects you from a single drive failure, but then some people don't know that that single drive failed, and then a second drive fails, and then you can't get access to your data. If we're successful in recovering your data from your array, we will provide it back to you on an external hard drive or an SSD that we can sell to you at an additional cost, or you can provide your own storage device where we recover the data to. With all RAID/NAS data recovery jobs, do ask for a $500 non-refundable attempt fee. That's basically just for our engineers' time and effort to try and recover the data. If we're not successful, then you don't pay any more. Payam Data Recovery is one of the oldest, most respected data recovery companies in Australia, if not the world. And we've got, the most experienced team of data recovery engineers. Our success rate with RAIDs/NAS arrays is over 90%, and it really depends on the fault that we find wrong with it. We've seen every type of failure from a RAID: flood, fire, mechanical damage, electrical damage, you name it, we'll give it a go. My name's Andy, I work for Payam Data Recovery. My main expertise is recovering data from failed RAID/NAS arrays.